You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this type of pastry, originally from the Netherlands, a type of waffle, thin crisp waffles from the Netherlands. So in Dutch, that's the original source for the word. In Dutch it is pronounced as stroopwafel, stroopwafel. Yeah. Now in English it's more generally said as stroopwafel, stroopwafel, although some say it also as stroopwafel, stroopwafel, just to respect the V pronounced like the W pronounced like a V in Dutch. So stroopwafel is fine, but stroopwafel is a bit better, or in Dutch, stroopwafel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.